Hello, my name is Ifigenia Papanikolaou and I'm coming from Athens, Greece. I'm an archaeologist and had my bachelor's degree in Glasgow in Mediterranean archaeology, and lately I'm a professional tour guide. I'm very excited about this new job of mine because not only it helps me to develop a bit my academic interests, but mainly because it gives me the opportunity to travel a lot. Traveling around the world is actually one of the best pastimes that a person could have, and I know for a fact that a local person could assist and give insightful comments regarding its person's trip. So when I actually am able to enhance the happy moments of a person's trip, this is exactly when I understood that I need absolutely this job. So far I have worked both with private tours and organized groups, 20 to 50 people. So I think I'm able right now to organize all this kind of issues regarding these two types of traveling. However, lately I'm responsible for organizing educational projects for kids and children, and I volunteered in the Children's Museum of Athens in order to give another perspective to students of the antiquity and the ancient world. But however, the reason I'm applying for this job is absolutely the itinerary that I read through via internet about this trip to Greece via the Adventures by Disney, because it is absolutely amazing, like how I could use my social skills in order to communicate and interact in such an extent with the group, and plus like how out of the beaten tracks all these activities are. So it will be absolutely stimulating both for me and the group of the clients I will be having. I cannot say how important this opportunity and prospect will be for me, and I think it will be of a great assistance. Thank you very much. I will be very happy to be hearing from you.